Hello and welcome to another update on Solana. The Solana chart is at the moment likely in this larger correction of a wave 2. The price has gained some upside, not upside, but downside momentum, and it seems at the moment as if the C wave to the downside here has started to unfold after the price has topped in 3 waves on Thursday, Friday, and we don't really have a clean 5-wave move down yet, I would say, from that high. However, it's always possible that the C wave to the downside unfolds as an ending diagonal pattern in which, for example, yellow wave 1 to the downside is a 3-wave move. Then we had a corrective rally that was clearly not impulsive to the upside. And now wave 3 to the downside of wave C could also be an ending could be an ABC structure. And then we could get a wave 4, and wave 5 would also be an ABC structure. Now, I explained in yesterday's video in detail that the C wave in yellow should ideally land somewhere around $143.50 next. But obviously it would take a break below certain levels to confirm that further. Now we have the initial indication that yellow wave B has topped. That was the break below the swing low from yesterday. And the next indication will be a break below the $164.60 level. This would be the next structural support level. It's a previous swing low and the formal invalidation point for the white scenario. Remember, the white scenario is a potential diagonal pattern to the upside, which hasn't formed 5 waves up yet. So again, this is the one that would clearly confirm that we go up directly if we get these 5 waves, but the market needs another larger correction, as it seems. Below the red line here, we can add another structural support line located at $159.50. This would be the swing low from the 19th of May. And it's also a very, very relevant level to watch, because below that level, there isn't really going to be much of a support level anywhere, right? Until we hit that $143.50 level. So breaking below this swing low could accelerate the decline a little bit. Yeah, breaking below that swing low from the 19th of May. And then, as I said, it is often the case that a wave 2, as shown in yellow here, finishes in the area, or at least finds temporary support in the area of a wave 4 of 1 lesser wave degree. And that is precisely here, the area around $143.50. Yeah. So this is an area that was traded quite a bit. We can even add the VRVP volume profile indicator, and you can see that the point of control is actually at $151. This is not a Fibonacci level. This is where we had a lot of, it's the price that was traded most frequently in that range. But the actual wave 4 ended a little lower. So, I mean, this would be the next larger support area. But usually Fibonacci levels are typically reached in these corrections. Yeah, so continue to look for lower prices in the short term, like on the Bitcoin chart. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye bye.